Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to import the reference which I have already done in my previous video, but I will compare this importing reference versus writing a new reference. You can write new reference if its information is not available or you have some unpublished work, and we can also find the reference inside the EndNote library. So let's get started. First, we will open our EndNote library. We have already created EndNote library, and it will be automatically open. If it can't, then you can open manually. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Library is open, and in previous video we have imported the reference from the publisher. I will do it again just to compare. So go to any publisher. For example, we can choose another paper. Okay, so how you can import this reference? Just click on Cite, click on Export Citation to RIS, and it's downloaded. You can double click and then right click onto the imported reference, add to your folder. Okay, this is the first way how we can import the reference from the publisher. Okay, now we will learn how to write the new reference if there is no information available online. Then we can do in the EndNote. Just click your folder, and then there is option new reference, or you can click Ctrl N. Click this and it will open a new window. So here you need to insert the information. For example, first you need to choose the journal article. If you have thesis, you can choose the thesis. If you have unpublished work, you can choose the unpublished work. So you can choose multiple. You can choose according to your requirement. Interviews and a lot of things. Journal article. And here we need to write the author names. For example, I have a paper, and you can see copy, and this is published paper. Definitely you need to do your own papers. And here is the year, for example. I am giving an example. And here is the title. You can choose the title of the paper. So this is already published, so you can't use this. You can download directly. And journal of, for example, I am giving carbon. So you can write the volume. So here is the volume. Here is the year. Here is the page number. So you can do these information here and just save this and check any error, ignore, or if it's okay, then just save it. And here you can see it's added. If you want to modify, you can add it to reference. Okay, so then again you can add a lot of information and simply save it. Okay, this is the second way how we can write a new reference in the EndNote file. There is a third option, online search mode inside the library. So if you have already learned up to here, then you can see here there are options, local library mode. So all we have done is local library mode. There is another mode which is integrated library and online search mode. I just click this one. Okay, and we will choose here. There are multiple options. We can choose Web of Science, which is very common. Okay, so here you can insert the author information. For example, I write John. Okay, and you can add a lot of informations. I just randomly choose one and enter. So it shows that there are a lot of articles. I just don't want articles to be here, so I just choose 1 to 2. So 2 articles are here. But if you have complete information, you can choose which one matches you, and you can right click add reference to methods. Okay, here's your reference. So today we learned how to import the reference from the publisher versus writing a new reference by clicking this option. And the third is online search mode in the library of the EndNote. So here you can see. So again, click back here, and that's it. So these are the three different ways how you can add the references into your library. So I will make another video on the next step of the EndNote, which will be very useful. So keep watching. Thank you very much.